The easiest and fastest way for you to make your vegetable soup is for you to prepare all the things you want to make this vegetable soup down, and the whole thing will just be going as fast as possible. Hello guys, welcome to my page. So today we want to make a delicious African vegetable soup. Yes, I said so. So here is me cutting my vegetables. Like, if you have someone who is cutting these vegetables for you, you don't know what God has done for you. Like me, I'm the one who is going to cut, who is going to do a lot of it. Although I love it, I love cooking, so it's not a big deal for me. So here I'm trying to like pour my red oil and my onions. Then I went in with my peppers, different kind of peppers, but a little bit of tomatoes, not tomato paste. Yes, the fresh tomato. You have to blend them with all this together and allow the water to dry a bit before going down with your crayfish. This is me adding up my crayfish to the one that I've cooked. Of course, I added my stock. Then here I added ogili. Actually, I'm looking for the name of this ogili. That okay, people said Lucas beans, I don't know, so I decided to go with my ugu. The secret about this soup is that if you want to go with your pumpkin leaf to cook your vegetable soup, you have to use hot water to make that your pumpkin leaf to get a little bit soft. Then try adding your pumpkin leaf first before you add your water leaf. And here I added my meat and the stock, and the thing inside here is pumpkin leaf, is ugu. Of course, I went with my dry fish and my smoked fish. Do what to do with the one you have. You must not use all the things I use, but as long as you just want to make it look so delicious and yummy, you want to add a lot of orishi inside it, and which I did. So stir well so that the whole meat and everything will go down with the stew, with the soup. Yes, and here I decided to bring my vegetable, like my water leaf. This is where I'm adding my water leaf to this soup, just to make it to boil together with the pumpkin leaf. Yes guys, I added a lot of water leaf. Water leaf has to be more than the pumpkin leaf, the ugu. And I went down also with fish. All this fish is because I have spare, that's why I'm adding it. If you don't have it, you can just do with whether your goat meat, your ice fish, your cow meat, your turkey, your chicken, whichever one you have. Vegetable soup is still vegetable soup. So guys, if you are at this point watching this my soup at this point, that means you're going to stay to the end of this video. So please do well to subscribe for you to see more goodies on this page. Yes, and I went well to taste to know if there is salt. Guys, look at how the soup is looking now. Is it not inviting? What are you going to go down with this with? As for me, I'm not going to go down with gari or anything. I'm going down with my fufu. Yes, my swallow. That is what I'm going to go down with, because this looks so yummy. And believe you me, the aroma and the taste of this food, wow. Guys, can you see my fufu sitting pretty on that plate, waiting for me to garnish so that it will go down. So do well to try it out and you will love it. This is not your regular kind of vegetable soup. This one is with a different. I hope you guys love it, and I hope you're going to subscribe to this channel for you to be seeing more. Thanks.